Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a dashboard in minutes with Claude AI. The first thing that you need to do is to add your data set right here. You can actually give Claude the XLS file, or you can give Claude the data in any other method that you like. You can write it right here. After that, you can tell him to build you an interactive dashboard. So I will show you how to do that. It's actually very easy. First, I will tell Claude to give me a sample data. Make me sample marketing data and make an interactive dashboard for this data. After that, you can hit on enter. As you see, after that, right here, Claude made me this interactive dashboard. It's really detailed and very impressive that you can see all the data, everything on its own. As you see right here, very interactive, very cool, and you can show it to your manager, you can show it to whoever you want. You can see the sections right here and how the data changes. This is very impressive that you can do that in a minute or even less. So that's how you can make an interactive dashboard in minutes using Claude AI. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.